So for me, I think we talked about integration a lot, and there is integration patterns white paper that has been published, and we keep updating that based on whatever product releases or patterns or APIs that we roll out, which gives you a pretty comprehensive view into what patterns to use when it comes to what type of use cases. And I think that is one of the white papers that has been my absolute favorite when it comes to architecture. So that is something I would definitely recommend if you haven't. Just search for integration white paper, Salesforce patterns, and that's my favorite one.
Yeah, I was going to chime in and say there's also there's a great blog that's sponsored by Salesforce. It's for architects specifically, and it's got lots of great content. It typically isn't product focused, which I think architects appreciate. So lots of topics around integration, security, data management. So I would certainly recommend checking that out as well.
I, I would like to actually recommend that for our architects also try to invest some time in learning the common language with architects, which is the diagrams, all kind of diagrams. So there are plenty of websites and books that explain some standard diagrams, which are really handy when it comes to like dealing with projects. You want to communicate your ideas. Best way to do that is using diagrams. That's a common language between architects. Go for it.
One quick item. Salesforce has a lot of good white papers related to security. So that is a good place to go and look for some good parts of security to cover.